Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and basic placement. Plug the speaker in or charge it fully, then power on. Next, enable the wireless mode you'll use, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Watch the LED and listen for the ready tone. That confirms the radio is active. Now pair your phone, open Settings, find the speaker name, and tap to connect. Once paired, set phone volume to 50% and speaker master to 30% so you avoid sudden loud bursts. You now configure audio paths and controls. Open your karaoke app and allow microphone access so the app sends your vocals to the speaker. Play a short instrumental to verify routing. Then tune the speaker EQ, raise mids for presence and clarity, reduce low bass to prevent boominess, and set microphone gain so peaks don't distort. Once done, set reverb or echo tastefully. Minimal for crispness, more for atmosphere. Make sure delays are off to prevent. You finish by rehearsing one full song and making final tweaks. Watch for clipping and pull down gain or master volume if you see red meters. Maintain consistent mic distance, about 10 to 30 centimeters, and angle slightly off axis to avoid plosives. Use a pop filter if available. If you run into lag, dropout, or distorted audio, restart the app, repair the connection, and move the phone closer to the speaker. As a single tip, reduce other Wi-Fi traffic if using wireless networked mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.